So how can we identify the corners of an image which has its application in motion tracking? Folks, Nitin here and this is the AI University channel. In this video, I am going to explain about how can we identify corners in the image, and then later on in the video, we'll be showing you the Python code's implementation. So watch this video till the end. If you are new here, then consider subscribing to this channel, or if you have already subscribed, then click on the bell icon to receive the notifications about hottest technologies of 21st century. Please show your love and support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this video, as I will feel highly motivated. Also, we now have the AI University Android app and the website, which is in beta mode right now. You can download the code related Jupyter notebooks by enrolling to this course right here on the AI University website. All the courses are offered for free on this website. You can access the related quizzes and the certificate of course completion like this from the AI University once I upload all the videos and once you complete all the tutorials including final quiz. So what is the need of identifying corners in the computer vision? Well, there are various usages of it. For example, motion tracking, three-dimensional recreation of the object, etc. Let's take an example to explain how do we identify corners. So let's say we have this rectangle image of which we want to find the corners. Consider this a small window which we will use to find the corners. We will move this window across the image. Right now it is in center, and if we move it in any direction, the intensity will be same everywhere around this window. So no edge or corner is found or detected here. Hence it will be treated as flat. Now let's bring this window here at the top. So if you move it vertically across this edge, it will detect the change in one direction only, and hence it will be treated as an edge. Similar is the case if you move it horizontally. Now let's bring this window at the corner. If we move it in any direction, then there will be changes in the intensity in all the direction, hence it will be treated as corner. So let's head over to our Jupyter notebook to see its implementation. We will be using Harris corner. So as you can see, we are first importing our familiar CV2 and NumPy modules. In the next line, we are reading our image using imread function, giving the path of the image as an argument and storing it in a variable called as image data original to show you the original input image. Then we are converting it into the grayscale image using CVT color function. And then we are converting the grayscale image array to float 32 data type, because that is one of the requirement of corner Harris function. In the next line, we are invoking corner Harris function that takes several parameters as input. Number one parameter is float 32 grayscale image. Number two is block size, which determines the size of neighborhood being considered for corner detection. Number 3 is aperture, and number 4 is free parameter. If you want to get more details about these parameters, then you can go through this OpenCV documentation page. Link is provided in the description section of the video. Now this function returns an array of the corner location which we are storing in this har corner info variable. Once we get them, we can then visualize them using below code. Here we are adding a dilation to add the pixels to the edges of the corner. I have already explained the concept of dilation in this video, so you can click on the I button above to know more. So we created kernel first and then ran the dilation twice using the parameter iteration equals to 2. In the next line, we are doing thresholding to change the color of the corner we are drawing on our image. In the next line, we are just showing the image after applying Harris corner detection. So now let me run this cell. So as you can see, this is our original input image, and this is the image where it has detected these corners very well, right? You can see that it has detected all the corners very well. So this is the way we can detect the corners of the image or the object. So folks, this is it for this video. Hope you have learned something new today. In the next upcoming video, I will cover another important topic of the computer vision using OpenCV series. Please post your answers, comments in the comment section given below so that I can get a chance to incorporate your feedback. You can also post your technical questions in the comment section and I will try to answer the same. If you are watching this video and you are not already a subscriber to our channel, consider clicking that little subscribe button. In case you have already subscribed, then click on the bell icon to receive the notifications whenever I will release a new video. So thanks for hanging out with me guys. I will be covering next topic in the upcoming video, so keep on watching. Thank you.